Okay, so throughout this course, I'm going to teach you the theory of Scrum and I'm going to teach you how to apply it in practice because that'll help to embed the theory and also mean that you can actually use it in your job. So let's do a little bit of role play. It's your first day on the job. Congratulations, you're a Scrum Master. Okay, here's the situation. You work for a website development company called Best Web Development and they're in a pickle. Their main client is increasing demands and causing loads of resource problems within the company. All other work has been paused and everybody is helping to satisfy the main client's website. If the main client pulls out, the company goes broke. The big problem is the company also promised a new client a stunning bike web shop within 4 months, and the company cannot afford to miss this opportunity. The client could be the future of the company and will certainly help the company to expand its client base. So you've been thrown in the deep end. The directors have asked you to lead a team to deliver this website. The company is low on resource, of course, but they have managed to get some talented, intelligent, and ambitious interns for 4 months. Here they are. Let's meet them. First up, we have Quinn. He is a talented back-end developer. He's the person who's going to make sure that the website is functional and robust. Next up, we have Philip. He is a really talented front-end developer. He's going to be taking the designs and turning them into a real live website. Next up, we have Josh. He is our digital marketing expert. He is going to be responsible for making sure that the website fulfills its mission of turning visitors into bike group customers. Then we have Amy, our designer. She's shown a lot of promise in designing really nice looking websites, and she'll be designing this website to meet the requirements for the bike group. And finally, we have Becky. She's not an intern. She will be our product owner. She has a range of experience with bike group customers, the online bike industry in general, and commerce shops in general. So she is the person who has been put in charge of owning the product and making sure it is of value. Another problem is that the new client, the bike club, aren't being very clear on their requirements. You can predict that they're going to change once work begins. For all these reasons, you've been told to manage this project using the Agile principles and the Scrum framework, so you can build iteratively and adapt as needed. You have some project experience, but what's stressing you out is that you don't know anything about Scrum and Agile, and neither does this team of interns. You have to get things into shape quickly, but luckily for you, you came across my course and I'm going to teach you about Scrum and how to apply it in practice, and how to get your Scrum.org PSM I qualification as fast as possible. Let's begin.